As I just showed, those are the TecNiq Eon series dual intensity lights mounted up on the headache rack as the high mount stop tail turn on this tow truck. We don't prefer putting the STTs in the bar just because it sometimes complicates things and it takes away from the warning from the bar. And as you can tell, those Eons up there, even though they're just 3 LED lights, man, those are small, but they pack a punch. We also use these in amber mounted horizontal, just like this on the side rails. And what that does is that helps these roll-off operators when that bed is tilted up and they're loading a car. Normally the light bar becomes useless, so these mounted strategically give these operators warning when this bed's tilted.